Hey Patooties! This is Divanishi Jaspal. I'm a 22-year-old content creator. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna be talking about questions that men always wanted to ask women, and also I have a lot of chores to do, तो हम वो भी करेंगे.
अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी जल्दी कर लो, मैं बता रही हूँ अभी. चलो.
I have shifted multiple times in the past month. हाँ, एक बार ही नहीं, multiple times I have shifted and I have lost all my plants. The current situation of my balcony. I have to repot plants. और मैं नए प्लांट्स लेकर के आई थी इस होप में कि oh my god मेरे यहाँ पे फ्लावर्स आएंगे. बट अपेरेंटली इस बालकनी में डायरेक्ट सनलाइट आती ही नहीं है और मेरे सारे के सारे प्लांट्स मर गए. Anyways, let's start with the question. Why don't girls say anything on face like what she wants? Okay. When a girl falls in love, she does things. She does things for her partner all the time. She just starts putting in effort and trying to figure out what you want. Very small efforts, but yes, she does that. She wants you to put in little efforts, just like her. अगर वो तुम्हें बता देगी कि उसे फूल पसंद हैं या फिर वो चाहती है कि तुम उसे क्लास के बाद पिक करो, तो उस जेस्चर का कोई महत्व ही नहीं रहेगा ना. उस जेस्चर की कोई इम्पोर्टेंस ही नहीं रह गई बिकॉज शी आस्क्ड यू टू डू दैट. बेसिकली यू आर जस्ट फॉलोइंग हर इंस्ट्रक्शंस. नो, दैट शी डज नॉट वांट. शी वांट्स यू टू थिंक ऑफ द जेस्चर and then do it. I know this is pretty hard for boys to understand, but trust me, the boys that do understand this, they live a hectic free life. I'm trying to revive this white lily plant. It just keep turning black और ये कितना मुरझा गया है और I need to cut out the rotting fruits.
Hope for my white lily, guys.
Guys, the operation has been done, but I don't know whether it was successful or not. I'm just gonna report it and hope for the best.
I'm so sorry, baby. I'm very sorry. Looking for your spirit security. I love you. Please जल्दी से जिंदा हो जाओ.
Alright, the next question is, do girls dress up for men? They always say no, but I feel they do. All the guys feel that. Okay, let me put it this way. Do you get ready for every girl out there? Do you get ready for all the women? Whenever you leave your home, do you put in extra effort for all the girls to stare? It may seem very good, but trust me, it is not. You do not want every girl to look at you. Just like that, we do not want every guy to look at us. It's horrible and it just makes you uncomfortable. So I would say that no, girls do not dress for men, but they do dress up for someone special. So imagine I have a crush on somebody. I'll put an extra effort to make him stare. You cannot include all the men in that, right? And also, if you have seen a all girls college, their fashion game is top notch. Are they dressing for men? No, they are dressing because all the other girls are dressing, and it's just a thing. We love to put our makeup on, get all dolled up and just be there. I also put an extra effort for my special one. But there are also times जब मैं सिर्फ अपने पजामे में हूँ, in a social setting, in the worst possible outfit. We are made like that. Anyway, guys, my balcony is still a mess, and it's a major mess. मैं पसीने में तर-बतर हो गई. It took me hours to report, and I'm still not done. I've repotted this money plant और इसमें से कुछ cutouts निकले हैं. Let's rearrange it in a aesthetic way. Okay, the third question is money or looks. If there is not a third option of nature, behavior, kindness, and all that stuff, then I think so money. यार देखो looks का मैंने क्या करना है, तो इंसान तो बुढ़ा हो जाएगा ना, ये तो शरीर है, ये तो जान ही नहीं है, कम से कम पैसे तो रहेंगे. So money. Next question is, do girls have crushes on random people they encountered? I like the question. Yes, we do. We do have crushes all the time. We do have crushes on random people. Though it is very hard to find a good-looking guy, a good-looking, hot, dashing guy. But yes, we do. Done with my jars. This is jar number 1. Kept it in my washroom. This is jar number 2. Keeping it close to my mirror. But then I'm too tired to do any more chores or do anything else, so I'm just gonna sleep. Sound unhappy. And end this video right here. It's already evening, guys. Please. That was all for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Please. Come on. मतलब at least 5,000 पहुंचा दो यार. क्या कर रहे हो तुम? मतलब shame on you guys. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Until then, bye.